Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be solving the sheet of Tata Financial sheet. So let's start the video first. So this sheet basically has four parts, four sheets, sub sheets inside, that is rate of change sheet, balance sheet, P&L, and then ratio. So first we'll calculate the rate of change for 2020. That will be a rate of change of 2020 minus 19 divided by rate of change of 19. 19 data. So we'll calculate and apply the formula here. And before moving further in this sheet, we need to select these rows full table. There has been already conditional formatting, so we need to remove that. Go to manage, conditional formatting, manage, and delete the tab and then apply. So because the sheet has been provided by ma'am, and conditional formatting was already there, so we need to remove this first, and then we need to copy the formula whole to apply it. So we will select the cell, copy, then shift and select where we want to apply it, and then control V. Once the formula has been inserted, ये जितने भी hash diff करके options आ रहे हैं, we need to remove that. So one by one we will be removing this. And then if in the question we are asked to apply for conditional formatting, like when the data wants कि 100% या उससे ज़्यादा या 10% से ज़्यादा डेटा जो भी आए हैं उनको हाईलाइट करने के लिए, तो इन वो भी हमें ट्राई करना होगा. तो वी विल डू दैट ऑल्सो वंस आई रिमूव ऑल दिस हैश फंक्शंस. It's about to be done now. Just a few more left. So now it's all clear. Once again we'll select our table. We will go to conditional formatting and this icon set. This shape, traffic light shape, will install it. So it's done. We need to go again on icon sets and more rules, and here we will set the rules. It will be applied in numbers only. We'll select this. Now we will rewrite the value, that is when value is greater or equals to 1, and no cell icon on yellow, and when value is greater than -1. We'll apply it and it will be like this. Now again, if we want to do conditional formatting for color, we'll write the formula for that. So select on formula, and here we'll write the formula that when absolute E4 cell is greater or equals to 1, and we'll go on the formatting for color type blue. Select E4 cell is greater or equals to 1. We need to remove that $sign and then complete the formula. We'll also apply the format here, so go on format and then colors, background color, fill. We'll select blue color here and then OK, and then apply this, OK, and it will be done, something like this. So the sheet is being completed. Now moving to the next sheet of balance sheet. We need to copy the whole sheet that has been provided to us to change in percentage. So we'll paste it, copy the table and then paste and remove the data. For this, select all the cell and then delete. Now we will calculate this, that the formula for this is cell B4 divided by B32, that is in asserts column. B4 is property plant and 32 is your asserts. So put this formula, and to make the values absolute, we'll insert a dollar sign in front of 32, and again copy and paste to the whole table, and we'll change the numerics into percentage form and up to 2 decimal point, like shown in the video. And it is also being completed. Now we'll go to the ratio sheet. We need to calculate for the year 2015 to 21. So we'll edit the table once. Here I'm enabling my macros to the sheet, enable a developer. So okay, now we will go to developer and Visual Basics, insert your module, and we'll start our code for the calculation of current ratio. So we'll start the coding, and we have to enable the macro here. So sub cr and bracket, and then we'll start coding dim cr20 as double, dim ca, dim cl as double, and then we have to give the reference of worksheet. So we'll go to our file and check it's worksheet 2 of balance sheet. So we'll provide the code for that, worksheet 2 dot select, then n equals to 7, and for I is equals to 1 to n for looping. Now for the current asserts, we'll provide the reference for the sheet, that is cell 30, and we'll check cell 30 is for total current assets. So we have given a reference here, cell 30, and after that increasing 1 plus I value, and then current liability is for cell 63. We'll provide this, and then we'll write the formula for current ratio, that is current assets divided by CL, and we'll provide the reference where we want to get the answer is in worksheet 3. Our worksheet 3 is the sheet of ratio, so we'll want the answer there at cell 62. We'll write then, and now we'll apply our macros. So run, go to your macro cr and run. So tada, we'll get our answer here. Now we have to create a button for delete and clear formula cr. So we'll go to our insert option, select the button, and we'll select the area where we want to apply that button. So go and drag it there, attach the macro, that is cr, for the formula, and we'll rename it as a cr for current ratio. To show how it function, we need to add one more button, that is for delete. So we'll write the coding for that also, very small coding till now. So for sub delete in worksheet 3, and reference of which cells we want to clear for this from this action. So we'll refer the worksheet as well as the cells, that is 6 comma 2 plus I, then clear contents and next I. clear content, next eye, and then we'll move to our Excel file once again, and same, we'll go to insert and that button, we'll drag it where we want to insert it, and then select the delete formula for this and OK, and now rename it as delete. Now we can see how it functions. So once we'll click to delete, this will delete the answer, and when we click to CR, it will reappear. So that's all for this video. Thank you.